Hi, welcome. My name is Melinda Bui. Today we go through how to use your serum and how to make the maximum benefit out of this amazing little bottle here. Now, the serum is our flagship product. It had over 200 growth factor in here. It does not contain live stem cell. It has the patent pending technology, which is the way the cell communicates to one another. Now, this product will help you to regain your youth, take back your time. So with this little bottle here, it's the first product that you're going to introduce to your whole Luminesce skincare routine. Now, to use this, you got to use this morning and night, 1 pump each. So my skin is already clean, there's no makeup. So and I also have another bottle which is just a water, just a normal spray water that you buy in any shop. I just fill them up with water and just spray. Now this will help to carry the product go further a little bit for you. If you check on my neck, right? So you see on this side here the line quite obvious. Well, on this line here the line not that obvious. Just when I use the serum and I put half of, on my hand when the serum still got a little bit left over, I just work on here. And I only work half of my neck just to see what the difference is. Now, I've been doing that for the last 2 weeks. And for many years of having this line, now it's like very lightly faded quite a lot. So that's what this product do for you. So in the morning, after you cleanse your face with other product when you first introduce, then you use the serum. So with the serum, you only not need too much. It depends on how you like your skin to feel. You sometimes use 1 to 2 pump. With me, I only use 1 pump. So this is how much I go. Just go. So this there 1 pump. Can you see it? Let's go on to my side, my finger. Alright, so my skin now prepped, nice and clean. I only put onto my finger. I don't want to use it here because the finger or the skin will suck it all out. Now, because my hand is dry off, so I just put a little bit of water and carry the serum around. Now, when you first have your skin cleaned, of course your skin will have a lot of water content, so it doesn't suck out the product. So the serum really go a long way. So, excuse me, I've been cleaning my skin for a little while, so I'm just wet my skin a little bit. So go again. So 1 pump of serum, put onto your hand, dab it in. I like to work really right into my eye right here. This is where it reduces being a woman, the first aging process that you find is your forehead here, your line, your forehead line, the middle one here, and also the smile line. That's what I find at most. I've been using this for a year now, and being a beauty therapist, I use very high-end products. However, I still get cold feet in my 40s. So I've been using Luminesce for about a year now, and all my cold feet are all gone. I'm very happy user. So now that's done, my skin are covered with Luminesce serum. Very nice and fluffy feeling. Now I'm not going to stop there because my hand still got product. You might not visually seeing it. But what I'm going to do, what I normally do, I spray a little bit of spray. And I use this product Luminesce and I just work on my neck. I work through. You see how that slimy through? Because the serum is still there. Okay, so I'm just use half of my neck. This hand still got serum, right? So I'm gonna spray and I work it on my hand. Now this hand of mine is my right hand, and being a right hand, you're driving, you got some damage hit on your hand, the right hand the most, and also being a right hand, you use your hand more. So every one of us will have one hand that the one that you use the most will more aging than the other. So my hand here are more aged compared to this hand of mine, my left hand. So I'm just wet this one a little bit. So I used to have quite a fair bit of sun damage on my hand, and I've been testing out for probably about 3 months, just here and there. I'm not always remember because we're having a busy lifestyle, but if you can look at it, focus on it. Now all my sunspots are gone, and also the cell of my skin are much tightened compared to the hand that I hardly use. So this hand now used to be my favorite hand. Now my right hand is my favorite hand because it's actually look younger. So this is the serum, guys. Enjoy and take the time back to unwind the clock. Enjoy the products and make it work for you. So hopefully wish you a nice day, and thank you very much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next chapter.